Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find sent emails on Outlook. If you've ever needed to track down a message you sent days or weeks ago, knowing where to look and how to ensure your sent emails are being saved properly is essential for staying organized. Before we dive in, if you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox and folders. Make sure everything has loaded completely before moving to the next step so you're working with the most current information. Now that your email is loaded, we're going to make sure Outlook is set up to automatically save your sent messages. This is a crucial setting because without it, you might lose track of important correspondence. Navigate to the File menu, which you'll find at the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab to open up a new set of options. Once the File menu has opened, direct your attention to the very bottom part of this menu. Here you'll see the Outlook Options button. Click on Options, and an Outlook Options window will appear on your screen. This is where you can customize various settings to tailor Outlook to your needs. In the Outlook Options window, look at the left side menu. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Mail to access email-specific settings. This section controls how your messages are handled and stored. Once you're in the Mail section, scroll down through the options until you find the Save Messages section. This is where the magic happens. Within the Save Messages section, look for the option that says Save Copies of Messages in the Sent Items folder. You'll notice there's a checkbox next to this option. Click on the checkbox to enable it. This step is vital because once enabled, Outlook will automatically store a copy of every email you send in your Sent Items folder, making it easy to reference later. After you've enabled this setting, click OK to save your changes and close the Options window. Now every email you send will be automatically archived in your Sent Items folder. To actually view your sent emails at any time, simply look at the left navigation pane in Outlook. You'll see a folder labeled Sent Items. Click on it, and all your previously sent messages will appear in chronological order, with the most recent at the top. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Outlook to save your sent emails and learned exactly where to find them whenever you need to review past correspondence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.